Welcome to Meiga Kitchen. Let's make dumplings.
Why do we make dumplings on this day?
Today is Winter Solstice Festival, an important solar term and also traditional Chinese festival.
Yes, people celebrate this by having dumplings, which are believed to bring good luck and happiness.
Now let's start. First, put 1 teaspoon of filling in the center of a wrapper. Don't put too much or it will be hard to close.
Next, fold the wrapper in half to make a half-moon shape. Then, press the edges together tightly.
Wow, it looks like a spaceship, am I right?
Yeah, it really does. Guys, can you tell us more about Winter Solstice?
Sure!
The winter solstice usually comes around December 21st or 22nd. On this day is the shortest day and the longest night in a year. The weather is really cold and sometimes it snows. The world becomes a white and cold place. In nature, most plants are sleeping. The trees look bare with no leaf on them. But the evergreen trees, like pine trees, are still standing tall and green. They are like brave soldiers in the cold winter. Little animals stay in their warm homes. Hedgehogs are hibernating, and rabbits are hiding in their burrows. People have many interesting things to do during the winter solstice. In many places, people eat dumplings. Making dumplings is so much fun. We roll the dough, put the filling inside, and then make them into cute shapes. Some people also eat Tangyuan, which are sweet and round. There are also some traditions. In some places, people will light candles to celebrate the coming of longer days. It's like a warm wish for the future. I like the winter solstice. It's not only a special day, but also a time for family to get together.
Everyone, come and have a try!
Wow, this looks scrumptious.
Yeah, this looks really delicious, guys.
We should all have a happy winter solstice.